Hi everybody, sanibonani. Welcome to my channel. Igama lami Ntando Mdletshe, and on this channel sikhuluma ngama reality shows ethu nama celebrities kanye nama YouTubers ethu ala South Africa. If it's your first time joining me today and you really like my content, there is a subscribe button la ngezansi. So you guys, I know all of us or most of us are focused on the Thabo Bester saga and what's going on with him and Dr. Nandipa and all the other 7 people or 6 people, because it's a total of 8, right? Okay. And there might be more, because it's like every other day they're arresting somebody when it comes to that case. There's also a Senzo Mayiwa case that is taking place right now, because the trial is back on from yesterday, which was Tuesday, and today as well on Wednesday. So Khumalo Modisa here is giving us an update as to what is happening with that case, what happened in court, but she's writing the story for Eyewitness News, so that is our source. So on this part of the update, she's giving us an update as to what happened when one of Senzo Mayiwa's friends was testifying in court, and also on the second part of it, there's an update on the request that was made by the lawyer relating to Kelly Khumalo, but let's start with the first part. A friend felt uncomfortable over Senzo Mayiwa's relationship with Kelly Khumalo. That is the title of the article. Okay, it says, a friend of Senzo Mayiwa who was with him at the time of his death said that he was uncomfortable with the soccer star's relationship with the singer Kelly Khumalo. Mthokozisi Twala spent his first day in the witness stand in the Pretoria High Court on Tuesday. He was among the people present when Mayiwa was fatally shot at the Vosloorus home of his girlfriend Khumalo. The trial resumed on Tuesday since an adjournment 6 months ago. 5 men were standing trial for Mayiwa's murder and what the state believed to be a robbery gone wrong. Twala spent the day on the witness stand relaying his version of the events on the 26th of October 2014, the day Senzo Mayiwa passed away. The court heard how Twala was friends with a footballer's wife, Mandisa Mkhize. He detailed how Mayiwa met Khumalo multiple times in his presence, and once even averting plans that they had made in order to watch her perform. Twala said that a few hours before Mayiwa was killed, Khumalo and her sister Zandi, as well as Mayiwa's childhood friend Tumelo, all went to buy alcohol. He said that Mayiwa could not see that he was uncomfortable. It didn't sit well with me, my lord, that I was in the company of Senzo, Kelly, and Zandi, knowing very well that Mandisa was my friend. To someone else, that would look bad. The group will then proceed to Khumalo's mother's house, where Mayiwa would be shot and killed. Okay, so that is what basically happened when it relating to the part of the friend testifying in court. Obviously is expressing here that the relationship that Senzo Mayiwa had with Kelly Khumalo made him feel uncomfortable, and I think understandably so. If he is claiming that he was friends with Mandisa, then I mean it would be uncomfortable for him to be around Kelly Khumalo, whom at the time it seemed like she was a side chick. Okay, so then the second part of the update, it's still Khumalo that is giving this update. Khumalo Modisa talks about the lawyer. What the lawyer says that he would like to happen to the evidence relating to Kelly Khumalo. In this case, it says here, the title says the lawyer wants a piece of evidence relating to Kelly Khumalo to be removed. The new lawyer for one of the accused in Senzo Mayiwa trial wants to do away with a piece of evidence that speaks to the singer Kelly Khumalo shooting the football star by mistake. Okay, it doesn't specify here what that evidence is, but remember that they had spoken about the possibility that Kelly Khumalo might have shot Senzo Mayiwa by mistake. Okay, the trial resumed on Tuesday in Pretoria High Court. Okay, while the accused have all denied involvement in Mayiwa's murder, the state believed that he was killed in a robbery gone wrong. Okay, Both advocates Malisela Tifo and Titi Tobani, who were former lawyers for 4 of the accused in the Senzo Mayiwa trial, told the court that they will bring the witness who will testify that the Bafana captain was mistakenly shot by his girlfriend, Kelly Khumalo, in a scuffle with Longwe. But on Tuesday, the new lawyer from Toby Singube, advocate Charles Mnisi, told the court that they want this piece of evidence to be expunged. Okay, Mr. Ngube has instructed me that that was not part of his instruction to the then defense. State lawyer George Baloyi has objected to this. Mnisi will now have to bring a formal application for the evidence to be expunged. Okay, so I wonder, guys, what is the purpose of that? I just believe that Dukeli Khumalo so far has not been accused or formally charged with anything. These men that are on trial are the ones that are charged with the murder of Senzo Mayiwa. So maybe he feels like it won't make sense for him to be able to defend his client if that evidence is being used as well in court to say that there is a possibility that Ukeli Khumalo was the one that actually or might have, shot Senzo Mayiwa, but we don't know, you guys. That is an update. Okay, if you want to see the full story, go to the eyewitness page. Right, let me see what it says. Eyewitness at www.eyewitnessnews.co.za. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before Pumegona, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Ntando kakhulu.